Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore Thrill City. I've been to Thrill City when it was initially launched, so I want to see if they've added anything new and also how is it for you if you visit in 2024. So let's check it out. Thrill City staff is very friendly. They help you understand pricing details and also about all the fun activities they offer. This map will help you choose games you would like to try. After purchasing the tickets, they will give you these loyalty cards. We are all set now. Let's go inside. If you're seeing all these soft toys, those games are paid and not included in the card. These toys are very attractive and we chose to pay and play. Wish me luck. Car dashing is our favorite fun activity. We tried this game at many places, and the best part here is that they let you play for long. Whoops! That was a crazy ride. You need to swipe the card to play any game. You can also recharge it if you are done with your credits. We always wanted to try this virtual reality F1 race, and we were so involved in racing, almost forgot where we are. We loved it, and it's definitely worth it. If you always wanted to try roller coaster and were afraid to do it, this is the best and safest way for you to experience it. Thanks to virtual reality for making it possible. This is a must-try game in Thrill City, which took us by surprise. As you can see how involved we both are fighting zombies. If you are an arcade game lover, you will enjoy this. There were some moments in the game where I really got scared as there were dogs chasing me and zombies attacking.
Back in that bag again. Whoa, yeah.
So if you've seen this visual so far, you'll understand why it is called India's most futuristic theme park because of its different investments that have done in the technology. For example, the VR park and then all the games that are associated with the VR. And then at the entrance, you'll find a car dashing, which I think was our favorite. So this is not the first time we have come to Thrill City. We've come here in the past, but I think at that moment we did not have these many options, right?
No. There are new arrivals this time, that is they have a horror maze and also there's a football court. So these are the two new arrivals and there's another surprise for y'all.
For that you'll have to watch the video till the end. So talking about the VR games, I think we've enjoyed the zombie VR. So it felt like I was taken to a different world where we were fighting zombies, so we had even dogs chasing us. We didn't know where the zombies were coming.
So previously also when we came to Thrill City, we loved the car dashing because it's very smooth to play and the way you drift the car, it's really literally like you're actually driving it. So it's very smooth. I don't think there's any other place better for car dashing. So definitely if you're coming, you'll have to try the car dashing first. And for us, this is the second time and we loved it. There's few games towards the right. So you'll have to pay cash for these. And play. It's not included in the package.
In the ticket, it's not included.
But definitely you should try. I have won a nice teddy bear. So it's definitely usually we feel that these games you might not win, but these are very simple and so much of fun. So definitely do whenever you're coming, do try these. And also coming to the ticket pricing, as you have seen, Thrill City is for all the age groups from kids till adults. So for kids it is $699 and for adults it is $999 and this package has it gives you some credits and you can recharge and also it is valid for 1 year so you can come anytime even if you have some credits left in it and if you're a student, there's a 10% discount. And if you're planning to come as a group for 8 plus people, there's a 10% discount again.
Yeah.
I challenged my husband to try out this electric buzz game to test his patience levels, as this game requires you to be calm and patient to win it. Let's see if he makes it through or not. Yay! He did it! And he got his favorite Pokemon. This is my time to try out my luck at this kid's fun game. This game is definitely all about luck, as you have to randomly pick the winning ducks. Luckily, I also won a cute Pikachu. They also have a short zipline, and kids will definitely enjoy this. Here is a short glimpse of activities especially for kids. You can also click pictures with Spider-Man and Minion. There are a lot of indoor arcade games. Here is a short glimpse for you. This is the most awaited ride. It's called the Splash Coaster. We have saved the best for the last. Try this ride at the end so that you will not be drenched. You can see the Hussain Sagar view and the entire Necklace Road from here.
Oh, it was really great, especially the views from the top where I was able to see the Secretariat, the statue. It was really good. It's a definitely must try if you come to Thrill City. This ride, Splash, is definitely worth the try.
If you're planning for a day outing in Hyderabad with friends and family, Thrill City can be one of the options. However, I must say that this place is not budget friendly. If you have visited this place, share your experience in the comments. If you like our content, please like and subscribe to our channel.